What's going on, micro scale garagers? Just wanted to get the F-150 out. I was designing some parts for my buddy Steve. Got an airplane going by. Let's try and make it over here to the bridge real quick. It's nice weather out here working on the course. It's hard to dry this. Me and Tim was just talking about that. I like that rock there. This trail now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay concrete where I laid this dirt. So that way. Go ahead and let's try the bridge. We got some new micro scale garage 1/24 scale parts. I just designed this mud flap here, but I guess it'll work for the Orlando Hunters too. I don't know how much time I got. My phone's been short on memory, so I want to say like, share, subscribe, peace and love, God bless. You guys get out there and crawl. Oh, you guys saw there's a little hex for the 1/24 scale deadbolt ambush rims. RC full drive, you know, Glendale 2. Trying to design some rims, man, for a whole week. My power went out for 2 days. That set me back. And then as I was designing, it's like every hex that I designed was oblong. Trying to get up there. Oh, knock the cone or a barrel down. Here we go. Just like that. Alright, let's go that way. Try not to hit the cone. Good job. Yeah, so designing those rims, man, it's really hard, but I had to come out here and crawl and work on the course a little bit. I gotta get over there and work on the bigger mountain. See, I gotta cut the grass over there. You need to just buy some weed killer. Oh, I knew I shouldn't have turned it. Oh, we lost our lunchbox. Yeah, so I just wanted to get some crawl time out. Haven't been able to talk to you guys in a while. I like that bridge though. That bridge is really fun. Pro chin driver is going on right now. We lost our scale accessory. I think I'm gonna end it right here. Park up here. So like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, you guys. That was fun.